Hello everyone, I am Manish Pandey. Previous video, we talked about the large language models. Now in this video, we are going to talk about an exciting topic called generative AI. As you hear the word generative AI, say it with me, generative AI. The name itself, generative, it gives you a hint, generate. Let's understand this in a simple way, and I hope you know the difference between the generate and generative. First, understand generate. So, what is generate? Generate word says that this is an action. It means create or produce something. Like ChatGPT generates a poem or generates a content when you give it a prompt. Now, talk about generative. Generative is about the capability or the ability to generate, create, or produce something. When it comes with AI, that is artificial intelligence, then the meaning will be changed. Let's understand this the meaning of generative AI by combining generative and AI together. An AI model which is generative, an AI model which has the capability to generate contents like text, images, audio, video, programming code, etc. That is called generative AI. Now let's see the definition of generative AI. Generative AI, sometimes called GenAI, this is a branch of artificial intelligence that can generate original content such as text, images, video, audio, or programming code in a response to a user's prompt or request. It does not just create what it has seen, it uses the patterns from its training data to produce something new, something unique. And generative AI gets these capabilities from AI techniques, from AI models. Like, as you know, generative AI is a branch of artificial intelligence. And AI itself include many approaches like machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, large language models, and other specialized models. For text generations, it uses LLMs like GPT-4, which are trained on huge text dataset using the machine learning, neural networks, and deep learning. Now, for image generation, it uses models like DALL-E, Midjourney, or Stable Diffusion. For video creation, it uses models like Sora or Runway Gen 2. For audio and music, it uses models like Jukebox, Music LM, and others. If you want to generate human like text, and if you type something, write a 200-word bedtime fairy tale story, then it can generate the content. If you write this again, it will give you a new content, unique content. If I use DALI, now currently it's DALI 3, and if you enter the text as a prompt to create an images, create a realistic photo of a person using laptop on the moon, then it creates an images using DALI 3. So you see currently it has been integrated with the ChatGPT. Now ChatGPT can do all these things here, and image has been generated. For the video creation, you can use Sora. You just need to describe a video like 5 seconds video of a panda playing basketball in a forest. Once you'll hit create video, and if you have the access, if you have the license, then you can create it. It can create like this panda playing basketball. Here generative AI can instantly draft response in Spanish, French, Hindi, or any other languages.